Hi everyone, my name is CS Harshdeep Singh Narula, and today in this video we are going to discuss about conversion of LLP into private limited. So I have divided this video into four parts. Number one is benefits, number two is process, number three is documents, and number four is costing. So in this we'll only talk about the major benefits, major process, major documents, and major costing. When we are talking about the benefits, so benefits come under tax. So there are two benefits under tax. Number one is your tax rate will be reduced to 25% from 30% if you convert it into from LLP to private limited. Number two is you can carry forward what? You can carry forward your losses of LLP and depreciation into private limited. So these are the major benefits. There are 5, 6 more benefits, but the major benefits are these. When we are talking about the process, in the process you have to file two documents, two forms mainly. Under those two forms, there are many documents. First, we'll tell what are those forms. So the form is URC1 and second form is your SPICE 32. Under this, there will be many forms, and along with that, there will be many documents as well. When we are talking about the process, first of all, we have to do what process under LLP? We have to file a board resolution. We have to conduct a board meeting in LLP and make a board resolution for what? To convert your LLP into private limited. Then we have to do what? Then we have to file for name reservation. Under when we go under name reservation, we have to file that we are under part 1, we are converting LLP into private limited. So the name is reserved for what? Name is reserved for your 20 days. Here will come I'll tell you what will happen in this case and how it will happen. So after name reservation, you will do what? You will do advertisement. So when you are converting your LLP into private limited or partnership into private limited, you have to make advertisement in the local ROC. Suppose your LLP was in Delhi and you are moving it into, you're making a private limited, and also you are moving the ROC, for example, into any other state. So now we are talking about the Delhi. In Delhi, you have to give two advertisements. One would be in English, that is mandatorily, and that too under good newspapers, and other one would be in a vernacular language, that is a local language. It means for Delhi, it is what? Hindi. So what we have done, we have filed BR, we have name reserved and advertisement. Advertisement will be done for 21 days. Now you will be thinking that there is a contradiction in it. Like name was reserved for how many days? 20 days. And you have to give advertisement for 21 days. After that only you can file what? Your form URC1 after 21st days, clear days. That means if you are going to file it on the 22nd day, that means 20 days are over. So in this case, what you can do is you can pay a little fees more, that is 1000 more, to extend your name reservation by 20 or 30 more days. So you can do this. So under process, when you are done with this, then you will do what? You will, advertisement is done, then you will obtain NOC from what? ROC will give NOC. If you have any creditors, then you will receive NOC from creditors, and there will be affidavits and there will be other documents as well. Then you will file URC along with SPICE 32. After the approval, your LLP will be converted into private limited. Now we are talking about the documents. This was a major thing. There are many little processes under this as well. There are many other documents as well. When we are talking about the documents, the major documents are your affidavits, where we are giving declarations. Then other documents are your NOCs from creditors, if you have any. Then comes your latest financial audited, that is 15 days. Your books should be audited in within 15 days from a CA or auditor. After that, NOC from what? NOC from ROC. And then there will be other documents like MOA, AOA, other NOCs, other bills, and other proofs and declarations, and other board resolutions. So these will be the major documents. Now we have discussed about the benefits, and we have discussed about the process URC1, 32, SPICE 32, board resolution, name reservation, advertisement, NOC, and NOC from creditors, etc. Now when we are talking about the cost, we'll discuss from name reservation. In name reservation, your fees is what? Your fees is rupees 1000 to reserve name. However, when I talk about there will be a contradiction, then you have to pay rupees 1000 more to extend this name. And suppose on URC it goes from starts from 300 and it goes like 400, 500, 600. So we'll take for the URC, your fees will be what? How much? 300. For the SPICE form, if you're talking about Delhi, on average it will be for if you're talking about the Delhi, 360 rupees plus 143 rupees for PAN 10 fees. Now, if you are talking about the advertisement part, so advertisement will be done in what? In a newspaper. So on average, it will cost you around 5000 plus 18% of GST. So these are the major costs plus professional fees for obvious reasons, because this is a professional thing. A professional only can do this. So for professional costs, it will take you around watch 20,000 to 30,000, depend 35,000 depending upon the market. It can be 25% up or 25% below. If you in this video we have discussed benefits, we have discussed process, we have discussed documents and cost. If you would like to convert your LLP into private limited or partnership firm into private limited or partnership firm into LLP, so do reach us at 987-806-7337. We provide this service. Our offices are located at Gurgaon and Delhi. We'll be happy to serve you. Thank you very much.